Hey guys, we received this manual lemon juicer for test and try. So this is a maximum lemon juice yield. It's a new design. So this is the first time I'm using this type of design. So that's pretty exciting to test this one. And then you can see that it have a totally different design. So you have to put in the lemon here and then squeeze it, and then this will come from this small hole. So this is a little different than the earlier model where you squeeze in between, and then so this also take less space compared to others, and then other design is also like nice to have big lemons as well. So this is plastic, easy to clean, and is easy to flat lemon. So let me just try and then see how this will work. So I'm just putting in some lemons, small lemons, and then just do like so we have to just put it, and then it will come from the bottom side. So as I have the small lemons, I can put like maybe two. So you'll see like this small holes, so the lemon will come from this and not leak anywhere. So this is a leak proof thing and only comes from one side. So it's a seat filter as well, and then it's pretty nice to have this.